There goes a squirrel. A beautiful day, guys, to take a walk. How you all doing? I am your girl. Music in the background. I have no right to the coffee. No copyright to the music playing in the background. It's a beautiful sunny day here. I think it's about 50, maybe 60. When I'm outside, I'm on my way home. I'm gonna be here for a few minutes. Should be alive, man. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful sunny day here. There goes a jet way up. I just was swimming. A squirrel, also the train. And when I looked up, the video wasn't on. I thought it was on. Yeah, there goes another jet down there. There's one right here. One in the distance. Yeah. Beautiful sunny day here. Still spring, but it feels like summer. And here comes a train. Guys, listen to the sound of the birds. There's a train in the distance. It's a beautiful day for a life. Wow, the birds are happily playing over there. Flying from one branch to the next. From one tree to the other. It's a beautiful day. Oh, how can I not say thanks for this beautiful day? I don't know about you guys, wherever you are in your neck of the woods, whether it's morning, evening, night, afternoon, but it's a beautiful day here in Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, beautiful day for a life. I'm making this little video here, the longest 10 minutes. Oh, it's only 3 minutes, so I can go a little further. Yeah, so there goes the train. That train going to Queens. I mean, the birds welcome this kind of weather. They're flying from tree to tree. They have enough to eat, guys. Trust me, and people feed them too. Let me just step over a little bit to see if I could get some. It's a little park for people to sit and relax. And there are a lot of little trees here that are budding. So guys, stay with me for 5 minutes. You listen to the sound of the birds chirping. They're all over. I need to get one of them. There goes one. There goes this squirrel going up the tree, guys. Oh my god. I came over too fast. I should catch him. He's right there in the tree. A lot of squirrel here in New York. We have trees to entertain them. And they live in the tree trunks. And those tree red buds on the tree over there. It's just a beautiful, awesome feeling to be in the park with the birds. Yeah, look at this, it's red. Yeah, to be in the park with the birds. The squirrel. Squirrels move so fast. They scamper up the trees. Here goes a bird up there and sitting in the branch singing. Birds in the treetop, praising the Lord. Flowers in the garden, bowing down to earth. And there's a beautiful tree over there. Angels in the chorus. That's a tree. Oh, look at the tree. It's so beautiful. It's like candy. Or it's a hot pink. Oh my god, I'm cool. Sun is way up there. Yeah. Just a beautiful feeling here, guys, in the park. Let me go see me find the squirrel over there. I need a squirrel. We went up the trees. I can say I feel the feeling of summer. Yeah, it's a nice little park. These are the benches. We listen to them in the trees, guys. Singing, singing in the trees. These are the benches. Those are, you can sit on those too. This is what the benches look like. So, if you're not comfortable inside, you can always come outside and sit in the park. There goes a butterfly. 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 I watched him. He flew away. The bird. Oh, it's a beautiful day, guys. I said I'm doing this little vlog here. It's a beautiful day. Not only for me, but for the birds. The birds and the squirrel. Here goes him. This is a nice one. Look at him. So we get to get the squirrel today. Oh, he's going up the tree, guys. He's going up. Somebody asked, do you have squirrel in New York? Yes, guys. He's at the behind the tree there. I can't get a little piece of it. Thank God I waited long enough. Well, my friend, the squirrel. Hi. Look like a rodent, like a RAT or a mouse. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm waiting with him. These guys. He's hanging on and I'm hanging on too, because I want to film him. Yeah. Let me see where it's going now. Just like a rat. Look at him. Oh. Too long for a video. Little video I'm gonna do a premiere. It's a long time I don't do it. But the squirrel have me grounded. I need to move, but he's not moving. He's hang on living. A very bird singing right here. I don't know if squirrel eat birds. Do you know? Squirrel is still there, but I'm gonna catch the train overhead coming up. That one going to Queens. Queens, New York. It's beautiful here, guys, whether you believe it or not. It's a beautiful day here. It's a nice feeling too. Place is spacious and airy. Not chopped up. We're in a park. I don't know where my little friend went, my little airy friend. Likewise, the bus on the street, the cars, the vehicles. How can I forget them? They are special too. Not about the train all the time. Yeah, this is sightseeing today. Sightseeing. Squirrel here again. Squirrel is here again. Where is he? He's on the side. Me and him. Hey, him, her, she. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I want to mind his own business and they're bothering him. Bothering him. I give him the glory. I give him the praise. Yeah. In the glory. Yeah. Give him the praise. You woke me up this morning. He set me on my way. Give him the glory. Give him the praise. It's been a while that I walked this side. I'm heading to the L train. I'll go towards the 60% I'm finished, but I feel like walking this side and I'm not sorry. I did a little video on the birds, on the squirrel. Birds are flying around still. Trains are passing. Birdie. There goes another one down there. And the train is coming again. That's the Q train, not the Q train, the J train. Going to Manhattan. Previous one, going to Queens, New York, passing through Brooklyn. Have some stops to make. Today is a day, this is the day. This is the day. Yeah. He's making nest. Oh, they're making nest. Birds. Today is a beautiful day with me and the birds. Beautiful day for my vlog. A beautiful vlogging day. Beautiful day for our vlog. Squirrel, the birds, and the train. The beautiful trees are budding. And there's a safe haven for the birds over there in the meshed area. The birds always in those areas. There's a school over there. School. Yeah. I sang a song earlier. I'm gonna sing it again. It's just ringing in my mind, so I have to sing it. I am delivered, I'm set free. You are delivered, you're set free. It is finished. The battle is over. It is finished. There'll be no more war. It is finished. It's the end of the conflict. It is finished, oh Lord, because Jesus is the Lord. Yeah. He is Lord. It is finished. The battle is over. Yay, it is finished. There be no more war. Yay, it is finished. The end of the conflict. It is finished. Jesus is the Lord. If you're joining me for the first time, I am your girl, your mama, your sister, Aunt Rosalie WJ, here in Brooklyn, New York. New York is in the United States of America. You look over there, there goes the flag of New York and the United States. So I'm on the streets. I vlog on the street, on the buses, on the train. Inside looking out, inside sometimes. And I'm in traffic now, about to cross. Thank you all for watching. The Lord bless you, the Lord keep you. The Lord cause his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you and give you peace. Don't forget that it is finished. The battle is over. Hey, it is finished. It's a windy day, a nice, sunny, warm, windy day. There'll be no more war. And this is a car place. Car dealers. It is finished. It's the end of the country. All these cars are for sale. It is finished. Yeah, yeah. Jesus. The Lord. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you with the love of the Lord. Thank you all for watching. The Lord bless you. You do? I have no right to the music playing anymore.